If you've ever wondered where salt comes from, and an image like this one came to mind, you're not far off. By the end of this 3-minute video about salt production, you'll have a general understanding of salt mining techniques, be an informed consumer, and potentially increase your reputation as an inspiring lunch break conversationalist. Salt mining is accomplished either by mining ancient, dried-up seabeds underground, or by extracting salt from seawater or other natural salt pools found in the mountains. Underground seabeds are accessed by digging pits or tunnels with heavy machinery or by hand with pickaxes and hand drills. However, some companies like Compass Minerals, the parent company of Sifto Canada, create a brine by pumping water down into the salt seam and later separating it through mechanical evaporation. In contrast, salt farmers haul salty water between a series of shallow pools and rely on the sun to evaporate the water. The remaining salt crystals are then collected, cleaned, and crushed into the desired size. The salt is cleaned throughout the evaporation process as mud and other heavier particles settle to the bottom of the pool, and the remaining water is drained and filtered through a series of baskets and bags. Like other minerals, salt is graded, with the lowest grades being used for commercial manufacturing of goods like glass, tires, bleach, steel, and de-icer, and the higher grades being packaged and sold for human and animal consumption. Underground salt mines are found throughout the globe, with one of the largest being located under Lake Huron. Logically, salt farming occurs in hot, dry climates like Australia, Mexico, and Turkey, where rainfall is less likely to spoil the harvest. Each salt carries its own flavor profile with varying degrees of saltiness, sweetness, and bitterness, which result from the grade and region where the salt is mined. Unprocessed, artisanal salt will remain its natural color, sometimes with visible flecks of trace minerals, which are essential for human health. While common table salt is often stripped of all trace minerals during processing, the mandatory addition of iodine to table salt compensates for iodine-deficient soils in Canada. When purchasing salt, it's important to consider how and where it has been made, so that you as a consumer pay fairly for high-quality, handcrafted salts, as you would high-quality, handcrafted furniture. Would you pass the salt, please?